Hello, my name is Michael Waterstone, and I'm the Dean of LMU Loyola Law School. Let me tell you a quick story. This story starts 100 years ago, actually on September 8th, 1920. The temperature was a perfect Los Angeles 70 degrees. There were southeast winds. The headlines in the LA Times that day were about an earthquake in northern Italy, a new president in Mexico, and some controversy over campaign financing. But something else happened that day. At 7:30 p.m., a new law school first opened its doors in downtown Los Angeles. It was an evening-only program with 8 students, including one woman. 100 years and 20,000 graduates later, here we are. Los Angeles and the world have changed a lot in the last 100 years. And Loyola lawyers have changed the world and Los Angeles. Our lawyers have stood by clients during the hardest moments of their lives. They have held positions at the highest levels of government, including, most recently, a cabinet appointment in the Biden administration. We have more judges in California than any other school. And we've been at the forefront of social and legal change, pursuing justice for those who would not otherwise have it. A legal education has never been more important than it is right now. I believe that law is central to every challenge and opportunity our community and the world face. We have a huge role to play. We will keep being better than anyone else at preparing our students to be lawyers. We will continue to be ahead of the curve in terms of what we teach, how we teach, and who we teach. And we will honor our social justice mission by pursuing a more fair and equitable world. I love our school. Just a few highlights from this past year. Our alumni first-time takers of the October 2020 California bar exam passed at an incredible 92% rate, well above the state average. This is in thanks in part to our bar success and other support programming. We care deeply about experiential education. We have more than 20 live client clinics that have led the way in securing freedom for clients amid pandemic concerns. More than a dozen in counting, while developing innovative legal theories and finding ways to deliver them. And our clinics have secured competitive grants from the Department of Justice and the Sony Social Justice Fund to expand their work in new and exciting directions. Our trial teams have won more competitions than any other law school on the West Coast over the last decade, including a bunch this year. One recent success includes the national championship of the National Moot Court Competition, the country's oldest. Our faculty are second to none, and we've got 5 new professors joining our ranks in the fall. Our colleagues are so good at what they do, bringing deep experience in big law, federal agencies, Hollywood studios, public interest practice, Supreme Court work, Silicon Beach, and so much more. We will always keep improving in terms of being a more equitable and inclusive community, expanding our offerings to include a new center focused on racial justice, and making sure a commitment to anti-racism and diversity are central to everything we do. We are committed to making these opportunities available to as many people as possible. Our Centennial Scholarship Initiative generated $1.2 million in scholarship aid, including 8 new named scholarships. As we embark on our second century, there has never been a better time to join us. I encourage you to explore all that we have to offer, and I hope to see you at orientation in the fall. Thank you.